So these are my H Design flip-flops. I've had these for about a year now. They do come in different colors. These are extremely comfortable. Let me slip into them here. These are a size 10. And to be honest, even though they're size 10, I think they're a little bit big on me. I'd probably size down half if I were to go in the future. Normally I'm a size 10 and these are a 41. So maybe a 40 would be better because there's more space here. But very, very cushy, desirable shoes. And flip-flop, to be honest, I've had quite literally over a dozen pairs in my time. Since I discovered the brand, it is my go-to because they're just so comfortable. You can handle a lot of walking and keep your feet in place. This particular design is less stable on the heel. Your heel moves around a bit. I like the ones probably better that go higher up on the foot, but these look great. Recommend.